objects like bows and arrows, spears, and the like. However, on the Far East, their ancestors used to hunt for meat using these raptors. That's what they call falconry, or the act of hunting wild animals using trained raptors. Now to show us the basic equipment needed for falconry, everybody help me welcome Malia the Horse and Kuya Renren.
Video naman ta.
Ito, nagdamay siguro ng imong banay.
Ayan, palakpakan naman for Malia and Kuya Ren and everyone. So we now have a horse, a raptor, and over here is Kuya Rani. Kuya Rani is wearing a leather glove or gauntlet, which is very important because our bird's talons or feet are very sharp and long. This helps to protect Kuya Rani's arm from getting hurt. Now, if you notice our bird over there, it's wearing a hood. Bakit nga ba ito may hood? Well, this is to limit their vision and help them focus on their target alone. Now, you might be wondering, how do we train these birds to hunt? Paano nga ba namin tinitrain ang mga birds na ito to hunt? Well, we practice through luring. Gusto mo ba natin makakita paano mag-lure?
Yes.
Nako, parang ayaw, ang hina. Again, gusto po ba natin makakita paano mag-lure?
Yes.
Ayan, so everybody help me welcome one of our bird ambassadors, Kapitan. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Kapitan, our Philippine hawk eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg. This is why he can barely fly. We nursed him back to health and now he's one of our swiftest flyers. Everybody, can we all say, hi Kapitan!
Hi, Kapitan.
Now over here we have Kuya Gerald. Kuya Gerald is holding a lure. A lure is basically a piece of rope with a bait on one end. The shape of the lure is a rabbit. Nakikita po ba natin? Is it shaped like a rabbit? Yes, that's because Kapitan likes to eat rabbits. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin kung maluluri natin si Kapitan. Ayun, palakpakan naman for Kapitan everyone. As you can see, Kapitan was indeed lured. Your lure should be the same in shape to what you want your bird to hunt. That is how you train them. Of course, there are different kinds of raptors with different kinds of diet. Another raptor na iba pa ang diet that I want you all to meet is Jerica. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Jerica, our gray-headed fish eagle. Now, I have a question for everyone. What do you think fish eagles eat?
Fish, of course.
Yes, very good. Fish eagles eat fishes. Now, over here, we have Kuya Renren holding a lure with a fish. Sige nga, tignan nga natin kung malulure natin si Jerica. Ayun, palakpakan naman for Jerica, everyone. As you can see, Jerica is a very big and a very fierce bird. They are protective of their food, so better to not disturb them while they are eating. So yun po silang ating mga diurnal raptors. Did you know that there are actually two kinds of raptors? The diurnal and the nocturnal. The birds we met so far, sino nga po ulit yung birds na na-meet natin kanina? Kapitan and Jerica. Kapitan and Jerica are diurnal raptors or raptors na gising sa umaga. Now, who can give me an example of a raptor that is awake at night? Owls. And speaking of owls, everyone, I want you to meet one of the gentlest bird ambassadors in Malagos Garden Resort, Brian, our Philippine eagle owl. Now, something very interesting about Brian over here, no, is Brian is Philippine endemic. That means dito lang po siya makikita sa Pilipinas in the wild. Now, I have a question again for everybody. Alam po ba natin anong kinakain ng mga owls? Owls eat rats and rodents. That is why they are very beneficial to our farmers because they eat the pests on their farmlands. Now, if you don't already know, owls have a silent flight pattern. Literally, hindi po natin sila maririnig lumipad no matter how much they flap their wings. So that's it for Brian the Owl for today. Everybody, let's all say bye, Brian! Now, kung si Brian the Owl ay may silent flight pattern, another flight pattern I want you all to check out are from our Brownie kites. Everybody meet our Brownie kites. Brownie kites like to glide along the air. They don't flap their wings around as much. That is why they're called Brownie kites, or in local terms, banog.
Malaki yung white.
Nakuha na. Oh, wala ni balik.
That is our show for today. We hope you learned something and more importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful place we call Malagos Garden Resort. Daghang salamat.